So, good afternoon, sir. Research is all about food ordering system in Jfaz Food Hub. The first one is the introduction. Fast food industry is one of the most important and developing general restaurant industry. It is dynamic and competitive business where such a large number of vendors are pursuing to a few customers. To accomplish this, fast food providers should have able access customer satisfaction to decide with the given items or services. Then, Jfaz Food is one of the most considered fast food in Iligan. It is located in Aguinaldo Street, Iligan City. It is a small area and it have it also have an air conditioner inside, a few chairs, few tables, and in Iligan City, Jfaz Food is one of the simple fast food in Iligan. It was not also announced that it had changed from Pop Snack to Jfaz Food Hub.
So in the problem that the restaurant is using the traditional food order method, which is the paper-based food order method. This method, for instance, the register in the counter, record down foods that customers ordered, and it will pass the order to the kitchen for the further process. However, this method will arise a lot of human errors while the restaurant is crowded of customers, such as food served not in sequence, missing of food order paper, mistake in record down the food names, and time consuming. On the other hand, the solution is that researchers aim to provide a computer program for food ordering system of JFast Food Hub. It is aimed for developing an efficient food ordering system that can be used in the restaurant, which can help quickly and easily manage daily operational tasks for the employees, as well as to improve the dining experience of the customers. The conclusion is that this system for JFast Food Hub leads to success because it provides efficiency for the restaurant by reducing time consuming, minimize human errors, provide good quality customer service, and it can be an appropriate solution for the fast food industry.
Statement of the problem. The researchers identified the following problems of the food ordering system of JFAS Food Hub. Number 1. Employee manually works by looking behind the wall printed menu that can lead to wasting time. Number 2. The employee can make possible mistake in recording of food item in a paper-based food order method. Number 3. Employee also have difficulty calculating total billings, therefore making the customers wait until the calculation is complete. Objectives of the study. The objective of the study is to develop a computer food ordering system for JFAS Food Hub. This study aims to develop a program that shows all the food items in menu. To create a system so that the employee can record order from the customers easily. To develop an ordering system that calculates the total cost of food orders of the customers.
Scope and delimitations. Inside the system, there is the account of the employees, the food order, and the calculation system. The account of the system uses for the user to input their username and password. After you log in, you can see the food menu and you can order now.
The significance of the study, it may benefit certain entities. For the first one is employees. It will help to improve their service by using the computer food ordering system to perform their duty within the fast food. And for the customer, it will help them to know the proper service as it reduces time consuming and minimize human error. And for the future researchers, it will aim the researchers to be aware and to be involved of the process within the study. And for the current researchers, this study can help to determine the researchers to develop their skills and to learn on how to know the appropriate way of the service.
Ordering system, a system which users can order either online and offline, and is technically part of inventory management, such as in restaurants, etc. Paper-based order system. It is a type of ordering system that can record an item in a writing paper. Food Hub. A food hub should initially assess consumer satisfaction level to decide the extent of satisfaction with given their items and service. Human error, a term used to describe cases in which an error occurred because of human imperfection. Food industry, an industry covers with preparing, processing, preserving, and distributing of food and beverages.
After running the program, it will appear there the login of the account. You will put your username and your password, and after you sign in, you choose between the option and the exit. If you choose the option, it will directly appear the menu of the food, and for the exit, if you choose the exit, it will terminate the program.
Next part, as you can see, the food menu displays all of the food items so that the customers would see it. There are 10 food section in the food menu, and customers should pick food section number. After choosing, for example, we choose 6 and press enter.
So, after choosing a food section, the food section display all the food items. Specifically, every food item has a number that the user will choose it. And after that, input the quantity of the food item and it will show next the total food order.
As what Magsisi said, after you order a food item, how many do you want? Five. Yeah, five beef shomai. So, which is one beef is 40, but five beef shomai order. So times five equals 200. So the total order 200. We have here questions. Questions is that do you want to order more? If we choose yes, it will directly return to the food menu, and the total order before will store it from from what user inputted. It will let you pick another order from the food menu. So let's say one. So here in the food section, let's pick another food item. We say five is the rice and egg with hot dog. It's 55. How many do you want? So 55 times 6 equals 330. If we use calculator, we have to total it. For instance, I ordered 6 bentolog with hot dog, and I will multiply it with 55. The price of that, it says 300. Then if we total of what I've ordered last, which is the 200 plus 200 and 530. But if you want to agree to order more, it will back to the food menu. Let you order more, and if we say 8 Jfaz and hotdog bun, pick a food item, king size. Do you want 7? So 280. So total 280, but total it. But if you total it, what we say it? 530. 530 plus 280. It says 810. But we order more. But we order more again. Let's say 2. How many do you want? How many did you want? 4. So total 340. Then added to the last ordered 810, 340. 340, so 1150. Yeah. On the other hand, if we choose no, we'll go to the how much your money. But if we input minimum of that total food order, if we put it 200, let's say your money is not enough, please try. And if we do positive, let like we input mm, 1.5. So here in the calculation system, so it total the food order you ordered. So you can see that 5 beef shomai, 6 bentalog with hot dog, 7 king size hot dog, 4 fraps vanilla, 16 O's. So calculates total price 1,150, and the money you input 1,500, and the change is 350. So that's it. And thank you. Says thank you, and it will return. It shows the return of the options menu from the account. So if we terminate that, but you know that ordering system will return back to the food menu, but the total food order before is gonna reset after that. And if we choose logout, it will terminate the system. Thank you for using this system.